We're back. Just less than 10, 15 minutes ago, we were showing you a glimpse, giving you a glimpse of the intraday swing machine. And we were at that, if you look at that video, we were long and the NQ, made about three, $400. We're now short all the markets. We just went short 1156, 1150, 1157, 1159. February 21. This is the entry price on each of the four markets. And this is how much they're up. 137, 60, 115, 150. Now I only have 10 minutes on YouTube. So I invite you to enlarge the screen, place it in high def. The videos we make for our private members, it's in high def. We have our own hosting service, so the videos aren't this crap that's on YouTube. Additionally, when we broadcast live 24/7 our intraday swing machine, it also is in high def. It's not this YouTube shit. Okay, I do YouTube because it's free. and hopefully it reaches you. Our private hosting videos and so forth and the high def stuff that costs us money, and that's unfortunately or fortunately, however you want to look at it, why we have to have a cost. I mean, there's a cost to running this private club. Trust me, the private club is a labor of passion. We make our money from trading. We do a lot of there's a lot of value here. Our intraday, just to share with you what it means to be a member while this runs here. And the minutes, by the way, they're not even out yet. You can join Stock Market Caddy for just $99 a month, and you get a high def video view of the markets from Sunday night when we slow everything down. We look at the daily, the weekly, and the monthly time frames, and then each night thereafter until Thursday, we look at the market on a daily basis, and we're looking at the futures markets. We're looking at the ETFs. We're looking at individual stocks, and those videos can be anywheres from. We try to keep them brief, but anyways from 15 minutes to an hour. But we do them in the same order so that you can maximize your time and pick out what it is you want. You can access them as often as you want, whenever you want. They're up, virtually permanently. And then if you are an active trader and you have some time, you have a few days off, maybe from your primary job, and you want to trade intraday, then that membership, in addition to the monthly, and if you're in good standing with us, everyone's got to be in good standing, and we won't let you belong. But that is $400 a month. Now that may sound like a lot of money. It is, but there's a lot of value there. If you trade in the futures market, it doesn't take long to lose $400 or $500. Although we try not to lose that kind of money. In addition, though, not only do you get a view of the swing machine, and the NQ right now is up 250, the Dow is up 165, the Russell is up 105, we're up 200. So you can watch this as I'm describing to you what a membership entails, and if you are at TradeStation, and we're a very, very happy customer of TradeStation, it is their platform technology that enables us to run our own proprietary software that we share with you. So if you are a TradeStation customer yourself, for that $400 a month, not only do you get the signals of the swing machine, not only do you get access to us to talk with us, not about specific recommendations to buy or sell anything, because we're not a broker, we're not a broker. We don't make specific recommendations to buy or sell anything. We're a mentoring site, an educational site. We want you to learn, we want you to have fun, but we also share with you any of our proprietary indicators, any of our proprietary strategies. We share those with you as part of your monthly. So there are systems that sure you can rent or lease out on the internet. Some of them, cost 3,000, 5,000, 10. I've seen $10,000. If you don't want to belong to us and you want to lease any aspects of it, sure. I mean, you can do that, but it's also going to cost you probably thousands of dollars to do that. So I'm asked all the time, what's the most economical membership we have? And that would be, um, both the monthly and then the intraday because you get access to all of these other indicators and strategies. So, once again, if this approach to the markets resonates with you, feel free to give me a call. I just wanted to show you, I made a reference in the earlier video when everyone is looking left, we're looking right. And when everyone's looking right, we're looking left. And how do we pick up on that? Well, the swing machine, artificial intelligence. It's flying this plane. If you've ever heard about a pilot who flies a plane through instruments in a black box, this is all integrated. This is not moving averages either. Moving averages don't work. They lag. There's nothing predictive. There's nothing, you couldn't get this type of performance. See, so in all of this, I don't have enough time here now to explain, every light that's lighting up. But trust me when I say that the software is all integrated. So this basically, the altimeter gives you the altimeter. This gives you the distant trend, which isn't that far on an intraday, but a little more distant, maybe as to what they're thinking for the close. This is the here and the now, and this is the combined trend. Then this is the specific, the date of the trade, the time of the trade, the entry price, and then our profit and loss. This tells us how many transactions, how many segments of transactions we've moved. See, if this was hours, this would be 27 hours, but this is actually, we've been short for 27 610 tick transactions. And it's just another way. You can use the time as well. And then this tells us if we're short, which we are. RIP doesn't stand for rest in peace. That stands for rally in price. Rally in price. It's short and it's just rallying in price. No reason to come out from your short position unless it was to in fact go long. So this is what the machine is doing. Now if you want to come in and you've made $150, $170, and you wanted to take it, you could. We generally probably let them run a little bit. We tried to let our winners run. If the machine should flip and go the other way, then maybe we only make $70, or maybe we lose $50. See, that's really the difference, is that our losses will be much smaller. For the retail trader, he'll watch CNBC in the morning and he'll see the market gap up and he'll get all lathered up and all excited and he'll buy the market. Then it turns into what we call the oh shit trade. You know what the oh shit trade is? That's when you put everything on it. You watch CNBC in the morning, and this is doing great, and it's doing great, and Bob Pisani comes out and tells you, oh, the market's off, and then running. You get all excited, and you get all lathered up, and you move your whole account into the market, and then about 2 o'clock, you're going, oh shit, what did I do? Because the market's selling off, and you lose, Or, you get all excited, you go at the end of the day, and the next morning, it gaps down. See, the other thing that Swing Machine is doing, too, is that you can't necessarily see and appreciate, and I'll explain, is that we have other strategies that many of our private members avail themselves of, something called the Nicholas timing model. And the timing model takes into account what the indices are doing, what the treasuries are doing, imagine that, the 10-year bond, and what the VIX is doing. And there's mathematical formulas. It takes that data, it compresses that data, it does it real time, and there are correlations between those three markets. And it can tell us on an overnight basis. And that information comes out every night at 4:30. So many of our private members want to know what that is, because the last time the Nicholas went short, which was 2 weeks ago, that had a high watermark. If you had taken just one contract in each of the four markets, and the VIX had a high watermark of $72,500. And then it ended that trade on Friday a week ago, not last week, but the week before. And then it went long last week, had a high watermark long of 10,000. No, actually 12,000. And right now, the Nicholas timing model, right here, right now, it is neutral to, it's really neutral. But it's very, very close to making the next decision. Unfortunately, though, I'm not going to post that for you on YouTube, because that wouldn't be fair to our private members. They wouldn't like that. But if you want to join, you'll know, and get to see. Follow us for 2-3 months. Join, follow us for 2 or 3 months. Trade in simulation. We recommend that, and see what's going on. You know, or otherwise you just sit and do the same old thing over and over and over again. Oh my God. I'm Bagger Don, StockMarketCaddy.com. Check us out.